I'm going to start kind of doing more of a intro lesson video. So this is where I will provide updates, changes, anything that's like new going on Google Classroom. I will also be doing shout outs and highlighting like exemplar work ethic, even though it's very hard to keep doing this online and at home. So I'm just really proud of people already who are consistently doing the work, and also shout out to people who've like kind of fell off the wagon and now they're just like back on it. So I really, really appreciate everyone's efforts in trying to get this work for all of us. No, I'm learning. No, I know you're learning, and like if you are just now joining us for distance learning, welcome. So glad to have you. And if this has been just another video and another lesson, another day, so glad to have you to keep going. And I'm looking forward to seeing people's upcoming comments and stuff. So in this video, I will be highlighting some new changes on Google Classroom in terms of what it is to expect. And if you have any questions and stuff, please email me as soon as possible. All right, bye. All right, so cool. Yeah, we have some new Google updates. So instead of having multiple parts added on Google Classroom, you will now just have one page. And this one page will have everything that you have, that you need for the lesson, including the lesson title. At the top, you'll always have some quick links. It's still a work in progress, but right there should be your distance learning expectations. So you can always click those if you're not sure what the expectations are of our class, or if you're just now joining us for online learning, you want to click on that, followed by like if you're having Edpuzzle issues, you can click on that video that will tell you how to fix it. Eventually, I will make a video about how to improve your grade, or how our grades being assessed later, followed by my office hours as well. So always, you want to click the first thing, so how to start. So that is this video. It will always be an introductory video describing kind of like what the goal of the lesson is, and also any important information or updates. Once you've finished watching this video, you just type in done into the orange box to show that you've personally completed this. This is mostly for me to see that you are keeping track of your own work, and also that you are keeping track of your work as well. Followed by a check your readiness. So this is something that's completely new. So each lesson will have a check your readiness, and it's basically a practice pre-assessment. It is something to prepare for your mastery skill set. So once you open it, it looks very similar to kind of the format that you'll see on your mastery skill set. And you'll answer these questions, right? So they're very case sensitive and number sensitive. So you want to make sure if it says like you need to answer this question, you want to answer it. These will be specifically a number. I'm just answering it here in this video for you, just so you can see what happens in the end. And so let's just put like 1 in for all of the problems right now. So as you go through these, what's super important that you do is you submit, but make sure you click view accuracy. So once you click view accuracy, you get to see like which questions you missed and which questions you got right. Okay, so you write down the question number for the ones that you got wrong. Okay, and you're gonna write this in the Google Doc. So for example, you miss question 1, you type in 1. If you miss question 2, you type in 2. And the question number relates to the video you miss. So question 1 goes with video 1, question 2 goes with question 2, or video 2. And so if we open up a video, we can see here that that there are checks for understanding that you need to complete. Now you guys are used to this, but now you're going to record the score back in Google Classroom. All right, so at the end of each video, it will give you a score, and you're going to write that down in the orange box there with the dotted lines. And then in the end, you'll see apply and mastery skill set. So apply is just your Google Classroom independent classwork, stuff that you've been used to. And when you're done, make sure you upload a picture and mark as done. And then when you're fully done with this lesson, you can move on to the mastery skill set, which will be for a grade. And that's it.